Ever wonder why we sneeze? Is your nose throwing a tantrum? Or just ejecting demons? Nah, it's your body's built-in air cannon. Sneezing kicks out irritants, dust, pollen, pepper, and sometimes regret. First, your nose hairs catch the invaders. Think of them as the nightclub bouncers of your face. Then your brain gets the alert. We got irritants in the nasal passage. When you're sick, viruses irritate your nose too. So it's extra dramatic. So yeah, sneezing. Part immune system, part chaos cannon. Subscribe for more Ever Wonder.